I think we were on page SEO last.
Hmm.
Sitemap, everything is done. This also be covered, right, Vijay?
Correct.
Whenever you want to take anything you want to buy. And keywords in SEO. Okay. Keyword plan.
Introduction to keywords. No. Oh, wait.
This we did.
Monthly average serve volume, keyword difficulties. Oh, this we did.
Okay. Short tail,
Hmm.
mid tail, long tail
Here
also
only
we.
we were think. I think we were here.
Yes.
Ah, correct.
Okay. So these are the keyword planning and analysis tools. If you want, you can write it down.
Wait.
Okay. Keyword planner tool, which is a part of Google Ads only. When we will be doing Google Ads, there I can show you how to find the relevant keywords which are higher in volume monthly. I mean, as per the keyword, how many people search for the particular keyword every day or the monthly. Then SEMrush keyword overview tool, Google Trends tool, Google Search Console. Let us show you keyword planner tool.
So this is keyword planner.
Yeah. So there are many keyword planners.
Okay. Which
Again,
one you are
none
using
of
now?
them you will get free. Yeah. What did you say, Vijay?
Which is the one you are using now?
Now digital
Keyword tool.
marketing training.
Okay.
I'm using keywordtool.io.
Keyword tool.
Yeah.
So like that you have many, right?
There are many, but none of them are free.
Which
You
is the
might
best one?
find one or two which is free. But that too, for few days you will get to access free. Rest you need to go for the paid version only. See, see here I mentioned global worldwide. Okay, okay, that's why they are showing this. Say again, free trial, and then later on after 7 days they'll ask us to go for the paid version and buy. This is what the problem is with the paid. All are paid tool only. I mean, like you will. Just log into it. It gave us, the keyword basket is empty. Okay. See here also it's showing, but they are not showing us. You can see all these keywords, and as per that, you will get to see how many people are searching. Search volume is how much trend, whichever is in trend. Then what is the cost per CPC, cost per click. Okay. And for this particular keyword, what is the competition going on? Wait, I'll just check with other tool
You are
like
talking
say.
about digital marketing.
Yeah, this keyword, particular keyword. Go with the Google, this Google Ads का keyword planner. Okay, so when you log into Google Ads now, you need to go on the left side keyword planner only.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you need to discover keywords. Okay, now you tell me about your product category. I'll search as per that. Just give me a second. Nilgiri, Nilgiri resort or
Homestay, resort, villas,
Nilgiri villa. Next, Nilgiri
resort,
resort. Any more?
family stay,
Nilgiri family stay. Wait, we'll just use.
family stay.
Hmm. It's a hill station,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Ooty hill station.
Ooty Hill Station, Ooty homestay.
Hmm. That's it.
I can also add Ooty family stay, Ooty resort.
So these are the whatever keywords you want to add, you will have to put up. If you have a website, you can paste the URL or else it's okay. Get results. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, Vijay. Nilgiri home. Nilgiri resort. Nilgiri family stay. Okay. We'll add more OT. OT resort. The
Ooty
family.
homestay.
OT. ठीक है. So we'll go here and we'll take get results. Okay. So now why the screen is why am this way? The screen is not allowing me to. Just give me 1 second. Let me just check. I'll just close few tabs. Why it's not allowing me to move the slide only? 1 second. It should be. Okay, Vijay, will you be able to open your Google Ads planner? Uh, Google Ads.
I'll try.
Wait, I can show you one by one. Wait. Okay. Now, wait, I'll just share the screen. I don't know why it's not allowing me. Okay. So now you can see Nilgiri homestay is a keyword.
Hmm.
Okay. Every month, average monthly searches is, 100 to 1000. Okay.
Hmm.
Then the competition is medium. Top of the page bid is 2.70. I mean, and highest is 11 rupees per click. So
Acha.
it depends. Like if you want to add 12 rupees per click, then also you can add, or you can add 5 rupees per click. That is up to you. So between whenever you will add, CPC, okay, it should range between 2 to 11 rupees.
Okay.
You can highest, okay, but not the lowest.
Hmm.
Okay. This is one the keyword which is, now it should be highest because now season has come up. Nilgiri Resort, again, it is the highest. People are
Hmm.
like 1000 to 10,000
Hmm.
monthly. So you can use these keywords which are highest in monthly searches. Okay, in your content.
Hmm.
Again, it's medium. Here it was lowest is 2, 11 is the highest. Here it is lowest is 6 and highest is 20. Okay. Then comes Ooty Resort. Again, it is 10,000 to 1 lakh. Okay. It's highest in competition. So this keyword, if it is Ooty Resort, so it is, so see, you can do one thing, you can target, it is, you said, hardly, how long it is from Ooty to Nilgiri?
No, no. Ooty is in Nilgiris only. So
Acha.
Nilgiris is a district and Ooty is one of the towns in
So,
this.
nahin, suppose if we want to travel, is it 1 hour, 2 hour?
See, my location would be around 20 minutes from Ooty.
Okay, no, the Nilgiri. Suppose if we want to, suppose your resort is in Nilgiri, okay,
Hmm.
and if we are putting the keyword Ooty,
Hmm.
okay, so it shouldn't be like, Ooty is quite very far and Nilgiri is something different.
No, no, no. Nilgiri is in district.
Okay,
Okay. In Nilgiris, you have Ooty. There is another place called as Kunnur. So I stay in a place between Ooty and Kunnur.
so you can use Ooty resort also as a keyword.
Correct. That's what I'm telling.
You know, this you can use it because it's
Because
a higher.
the locations of this homestay is hardly around what you can say around 8 kilometers from Ooty.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, so then it's fine. I mean, like, it is not that far. I mean, like, it's not 30, 40 kilometers away.
No, no,
So
no.
the audience shouldn't be like, if you're targeting some other place.
Correct.
So, yeah. So this homestay and Uti Resort, both are getting the same
Hmm.
monthly search. It's almost like 1 lakh till 1 lakh. And again, top bid, I mean, lowest is 6 and 20 is highest. So if you want 25, you can do that also. Okay, but don't make it less than 6 rupees.
Okay. So
Okay.
how does it work? Can you just give me a brief? This click.
See, for example, if you have selected a budget of 500 rupees per day, okay,
Hmm.
if you're going with the CPC, suppose cost per click, suppose anyone who is searching on for Ooty homestay, okay,
Hmm.
on Google, Ooty homestay or Ooty home resort or whatever, okay,
Okay.
suppose your ad is there, okay, now I'm looking for Ooty only, okay, if I'll click on the ad, okay, though I don't contact you or though I'm trying to contact you but is it not reachable, so the moment I click, within, I mean, like, out of 500, 20 rupees will be deducted for one click.
So clicking means you will be clicking on my homestay,
Yeah.
correct? Yeah.
Abhi like for example, I'll show you now. OT homestay. Okay. Now Airbnb is good, doing very good. Okay. Now, for example, if I have put OT homestay, okay. Now I'll just scroll down. Okay. Now this is booking.com. Airbnb is there. Now, for example, these are all local.
Hmm.
Okay. These are not running ads. Now, see, these are all come up with the this only without this. So this is sponsored. Okay. If I click on this, I've checked. I mean, nobody will come so down. Okay, but still, they might go through all the links which are available, and they might check the availability. Sometimes the hotels are booked. They might not get the place also. Okay. So when I click on this, okay, immediately the 20 rupees is deducted. Though I check the dates, the accommodation is full. No, I mean, like I'm looking for 4 star. There is no services available, and 1250 per night. I mean, like there are reviews, excellent reviews. So 1250 is too high for me. Suppose I'm looking for within a budget of 800 to 900. Understood? So
Hmm.
though I don't go for this, or I don't go with this agoda.com, but the
Hmm.
moment I click, the amount is deducted. So you
Acha.
cannot count if you get 100 clicks also. Okay, you cannot expect that 100 clicks means 100 should get converted, because
Hmm.
every user has a different opinion. Okay, different
Hmm.
choice. Suppose last time he must have visited Uti, and he stayed in the same hotel. He had some wrong experience. The food was not good, or the services were very slow. Okay, and they have heard from, so after clicking, and they inquired, and they just shared with the friends, ki, see, I have found out like Hill Down Cottage, and it's good. Some of your friend will say, Arey, no, no, please don't go. One of my family had also visited. They had a very bad experience, so they might visit some other competitor. So
Hmm.
the moment I click it, the amount is already gone.
Okay, do that.
Yeah. So whenever you will run ad, okay, it is not necessary that if you're getting 100 clicks or 50 clicks, that means 50 people will be interested in your product. It might
Hmm.
be just for an inquiry. Okay. Like now you are running an ad because summers have started. Okay. I get to see your ad. I might click it just because your banner is very interesting, very attractive. The video also which you have put up of the view and all, it's so nice that it made me click. Okay. I might click it, I'll inquire, I'll come to this page, I'll check the availability, everything. I'll chat with you, I'll get the quotation, and then, I might check the other competitors also, what prices they are giving to me. Okay. What facilities they are giving me compared to you. So it is not necessary that if it is clicks, that means the conversion will happen on. But
So this is
when people
what 50-50 chance only.
No,
Not.
no, no, no. See, Vijay, I'm just telling you, you cannot expect when a
That's what.
person is searching on Google, definitely he is in need of that service.
Hmm.
Okay, when he's putting the keyword, he want to travel for a hill station, definitely he's in need of it. But
Correct.
we cannot predict what the customer is looking for.
Hmm.
Even we do the same thing. Suppose if we want to buy anything, we inquire everything. Okay, though we are looking with the brand, suppose I want to buy a iPhone 16 only. Okay,
Hmm.
iPhone 16 to usme to they won't be doing any changes. The product
Hmm.
is a brand. They have launched it in the market. There are so many dealers who are into iPhone. So what I'll be looking for, what extra he's giving. Is he giving me cash back? Some other dealer is he giving me, EMI facility? Some other dealer is giving me something else. I mean, like with the charger or XYZ. So this is how the customer mentality is. It is, they won't stick to one person. They will search two, three people through the two, three competitors. They remove the quotation. They check what other facilities or what all features other competitors are giving. As per that, they take the decision. The same thing happens here also. But at least we get quality leads on Google compared to social media. Because social media, people don't search on social media. If they want to travel, they will go to search engine, that is Google or YouTube, just to check how the place is about.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's what. So here, so when we'll do Google Ads, no, that time you will understand what is this bid amount or what is this. But
Hmm.
just for an, just for to remember that you need to select the bid amount. So Google will not deduct, like suppose you have selected 9 rupees, so per click it will charge 9 rupees only. It will not take 10 rupees from 500. So the moment, 500 are over, suppose if you're getting 50 clicks are done, that means your campaign will be paused.
Your campaign will be?
Paused. The next
Okay.
day, again, suppose you started the campaign today at 12 o'clock, okay,
Hmm.
and you got 50 clicks because you have charged CPC 10 rupees per click, okay,
Hmm.
and your 50 clicks are done by 6 o'clock today evening. Your campaign will
Hmm.
pause today.
Then it will pause.
And then next day, 12 o'clock, again it will be starting.
Hmm.
Understood? So it
Okay, okay.
depends. See, if there is more inquiry now, the season is coming up, the summers have started. So people might inquire. So it might get over early also, and it might, some of the categories they run for 24 hours also. So it
Hmm.
all depends, of the demand. So that's the reason, I gave you that day also example. Suppose in summers, if you're selling winter jackets, even if you give them free, buy one, get one, they will not be interested to buy. The campaign will
Understood.
keep on running. Who is going to buy winter jackets in summers,
Hmm.
right? So now in summer, suppose you are running an ad for hill station, Kashmir, Kullu Manali, or whatever, people will be interested to travel in such places because here it's already hot. They would prefer going to a very good climate.
Correct.
And in winter, suppose you're promoting about Kashmir, Kullu Manali, nobody will be interested.
Understood.
Okay, understood?
Hmm. Hmm,
Vijay,
hmm.
any confusion?
No, no, no.
And then again, Sterling Ooty. What is
Hmm.
this?
This is a resort only.
Fern Hill, Sterling Ooty Fern Hill. Is there any
Hmm.
place?
Ah, there is a place. There's a Sterling Group. Na? You have heard about a Sterling Group?
No, no. I mean, like it's a brand, you can say. Like Airbnb, how it is. So Sterling
Ah,
is also like that, or what?
they have resorts all over India.
Acha, okay. So
Hmm.
again, top bid is 7, 18 is the lowest. Then Ooty rooms booking. Again, see, this is also the keyword where you can use it, which is again 1 lakh per month. Every
Rooms
searches.
booking.
Here you
Hmm.
can see the bid amount. Ooty rooms booking. People are looking not only for Ooty holidays, they are looking for bookings also. So this keyword makes a lot of difference. You can see 32 rupees is the highest.
Correct.
So if you're using bookings and all now, so then your CPC you need to increase. You cannot make it less. So you can take it 15 also. Depends. It is not necessary everyone will take 32 only. It is all depends. Suppose you are not the only one who is running the ad. There must be 5 to 6 competitors who are running the ads. Okay, how Google works, Vijay. Suppose
Hmm.
it is from 9 till 32. So you have taken suppose 12. Your other competitors who someone has taken 13, someone has taken 18, someone has taken 21, and someone has taken 25. So what Google does, those who have paid highest, okay, the Google will show their ad to the user first and then will be yours. Like for
Okay.
example, if as I
Understood.
mentioned here,
Understood.
here wait, the holidays, holiday packages, if we check. Okay, now one, two. Okay, these are all highest competitors. Okay, sponsored Make My Trip, he must be paying 25 rupees per click. This person must be paying. Arre, what's coming here? Make My Trip, this is paying 21. Okay, the next one is paying here tour packages. These are paying 18. So like this, it will come. Suppose you are paying 12, so your will be yours.
It will go down.
It will come down. So again, next time after these above three inquiries have gone, these three will come up. It will go
Hmm.
rotation wise.
Acha, acha.
Okay, it is not like if you have paid less, your inquiry won't be shown to the user. It is nothing like that. Your inquiries will be shown to the user. But
Okay.
it depends when it is shown on the first page, it depends upon the user also. He's clicking to which inquiry and he's reaching out to which competitor.
Okay. So this is basically till the time we are what to
Running
say,
ads.
we are well
Yeah.
established or we are become famous, we can always put it on the higher side only, the bid.
Yeah. See, famous, no, Vijay, see, even if you're not famous, if you have started now also, okay,
Uh,
you won't be able to run ads throughout the year. Okay.
okay.
So now, as I said in the last session also, like now the season is there, summer season. So
Hmm.
you should run ad in this season only because there are many people who are inquiring in
Hmm.
summers for hill station. Nobody will
Hmm.
inquire the entire year. There are other competitors who run ad, but entire
Hmm.
year you can do SEO. Where again, suppose just in case if anyone is looking to book pre-book, because in summers the costs are high, and if
Correct.
they have planned like destination wedding or something, so it will be easy if your SEO is done. If you're ranking on the first page, it will be easy for the user to to check, and it will be easy for you also to get the inquiries entire year. So paid
Hmm.
ads are giving you inquiries, but apart from paid ads, you will get as it is also the inquiries. So
Understood.
in short, you need to focus on both SEO also and ads also.
Hmm.
But all suppose if you are running ads also, you should go for the display ad, okay, with the nice pictures. And again, what you need to check with what your competitors are giving and what else you can provide them, because there is a lot of competition. So it shouldn't be like, suppose if you're giving 1,200 rupees per night, the rooms and all, because people will look after everything. So once they're comfortable visiting your place, and if they like, they might review also. They give good reviews, they give good comments about your services. And next time, because see, people on Google now, they prefer going through the reviews and ratings. They
Hmm.
don't just randomly book. Even there is a new entrepreneur or new business coming up in the market, they just try to check everything. I mean, like whether you are available on social media, whether you are available on everything. So if you build up your presence on all the platforms, it will make a huge impact. You
Understood.
can drive traffic from all over. So for that, you need to spend time, you need to focus how you can work. Okay. So you can divide the time, like first half, you can just go through the social media, focus on social media. Second half, work on the website and Google ads, and as well as SEO also. And definitely see people, they
One
get
hour is
business.
good enough per day.
Uh, what what did you say?
Now, if I have to do everything on my own,
Uh,
1 hour is good enough.
no, no, no. See, that's what I told. Suppose if you don't want to, you can focus on Facebook and Insta. Okay, you
Hmm.
can make a page or account on Insta and Facebook. Okay, and website and SEO. Bus. That's it. You can get a very good traffic. And suppose if you're good at blogging, creating videos, you can create a YouTube channel also where you can upload the videos of your, the villa or the resort or the, the view of Uti or Nilgiri or whatever. You can just check on
So,
YouTube also.
so what do you
Suppose
said?
if we
Facebook,
check
Insta, SEO, and Google
and
Ads.
website.
And hello,
Second, I'll just show you. Your voice is cracking.
can you hear me now?
Yeah. So because see, people will search on Google, they will reach out to your website. Okay.
Hmm.
And simultaneously, you can post on Facebook also. You can run ads because Facebook, Insta ads are a little bit
Hmm.
I mean, little bit cheap also. See here, if you OT family stay, if we take, okay. See, you can run ads on YouTube also. Okay.
Hmm.
You can see this is also a sponsored ad which is running. Why it's happening? Okay, you can see, wait, these kind of videos you can top 10 best budget resorts in Uti. So leave about this. It will be yours personal. Then you can create such videos, best resorts in Uti. See, 5.8 thousand views.
Ooty is famous for its tea plantations. And what's the point of visiting if you're not staying in the middle of it?
Okay. So
Hmm.
like shorts and all, you can. Okay. So like this, you can promote because these are the two search engines. See, here they show about, see, 24/7 Wi-Fi perfect, like this videos you need to create. It all depends. See, budget accommodation, was private room, see, paradise to explore. So like these videos you can create, you can show them how the view is, how the resort is about. But again, Vijay, if you are working only for your, if you're working only for your business now, then you need to give full time. If you're working for some other company and you want to manage this, it is very difficult. Or else you can
No, no, no. I'm
hire some.
working only for my business.
So then see, you can start as if now you can start with social media. ठीक है?
Uh-huh.
Suppose if we check on Facebook,